deflection by unit load method. Find the vertical deflection at the joint C of truss shown in figure. A is same for all members. A is same for all the members. Figure given. The straight line. A, B, five kilonewton. This is 10 kilonewton. 4 meter. This is also 4 meter. This is C. This is D. A, B, C, D. So given figure, first we want to calculate the support reactions. Say VA, this is VD. Here we have hinge support because this is right side. I'll take this as left side. H. Then I'll go for support reactions, that is moment about A is equal to 0. Moment about A is equal to 0. VD into 4. How it is VD into 4 anti-clockwise minus VD into 4. Then 5 into 4 is clockwise plus 5 into 4 clockwise. Then 10. 10 into 4 also clockwise plus 10 into 4 is equal to 0. We will get the value of VD 15 kilonewton. Then I will go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. Sigma f of y is equal to 0. F of y is equal to 0. VA minus 10 plus VD is equal to 0. Then VA is equal to, we substitute here 15 minus 10, 5 plus 5. If I go this side, other side, it will be minus 5 kilonewton. Here. Then if I go for sigma f of x is equal to 0. F of x minus HA plus 5 is equal to 0. That implies to HA is equal to 5 kilonewton. This is about the support reactions. Then same method of joints, just like your method of joints, I have calculated the support reactions. Then we will go for the forces in all the members. So if I take joint B, you can see joint B, no load is there. So BC and BA will become 0. If two members are perpendicular to each other and there is no load, then two members will become 0. So I will take joints one by one joints. First I will take joint B. joint B, joint B. Okay, so this is B, this will become BC here, A. Therefore, go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. What do you have here? BA, nothing is there. So here I am taking n, NAB is equal to 0. Similarly, if I go for sigma f of x is equal to 0, f of x nothing is there, only NBC is equal to 0. Then I'll go for another joint, say joint D only one is there, these two are there, we can easily find out. So I'll go for joint, then joint D. Joint D, force diagram I am drawing. So VD upward, how much you got? 15. So 15 kilonewton. Then here B, this is A, and this is C. If I go for sigma f of y is equal to 0, sigma f of y is equal to 0, NCD upward, NCD is 15 also upward, plus 15 is equal to 0, NCD is equal to minus 15 kilonewton. Okay, then sigma f of x is equal to 0. F of x nothing is there, you can see. So NAD is equal to 0. If you want, you can keep this in the boxes. Okay, if you want, you can keep in these boxes so that I can get in the table, you can see easily. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forces are there. So I got 4, another one. If I go for joint D or joint A, joint B, joints B and D are over. If I go for CR, this one, you can get it easily. Anyone, because you know BC, you know this one, you can easily get it. If I go for joint A, say, if I am going for joint A, first draw the x and y, then phi. FA, sorry, this is A, this is H, how much you got? Phi. Then VA is equal to, okay, what take, I will take the same, no problem. So this is, what we got? Minus 5. I'll take as it is so that there is no problem for you. So this is D, then this is C. What is this angle? 45. How can you say it is 45? Because tan inverse 4 by 4 is 45. Tan inverse 4 by 4 is 45. Only unknown is now this one. So if I go for sigma f of y or sigma f of x, anyone, you can get it. So sigma, say f of y is equal to 0, upward, NAC sin 45. NAC sin 45 is also upward, minus 5 is equal to 0. That we will get NAC is equal to 7.07 kilonewton. 7.707 kilonewton. So I got all the forces, whatever the forces are there, we got the forces using the method of joints. Then what is unit load? I want to apply a unit load, that is one load, where I require the deflection. Where is asking deflection? Is asking deflection at C. Okay, vertical deflection at C. Therefore, if I draw the figure here, applying one, I will draw the figure. So same truss I am drawing here. This is hinge, this is roller, from here to here a line A, B, C, D, then 4 meter, 4 meter. So what should I do? I apply a unit load. Where should I apply the unit load? At C, because he is asking deflection at vertical deflection is asking. So I assume that vertical deflection is vertical downward. So I will take 1 kilometer. Same procedure again. Whatever we have done previously, same procedure I want to go for it now. Sigma MA is equal to 0. Sigma MA. So here we will have VA. If you want, you can take it small a, VA, here HA, small a, here small d. So minus VD into 4, minus VD into 4 anti-clockwise. So this is 1 into 4. This is 1 like this. This is 4 distance. So that is clockwise. So 1 into 4 is equal to 0. So we get VD is equal to 1 kilonewton. Then I'll go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. F of y VA minus 1 plus VD is equal to 0. Okay. So what will get here? VD is equal to 1. VD is equal to 1. Here we got minus. So VA is equal to 0. V is equal to 0 because VD is equal to 1 no here. VD got 1. So VD 1 cancel. VA is equal to 0. Similarly go for sigma f of x is equal to 0. Sigma f of x is equal to 0. So no horizontal load. Therefore HA is equal to 0. Then one by one we will go. Joint B, joint D. Same thing how I have taken there. In the same way I'll go here. So joint B I'll take it. Same joint B. Joint B. Joint B. Here. BC. Here. Here. So nothing is there. If you want, you can write directly. N AB is equal to 0. Then N BC is equal to 0. Sigma f of x, sigma f of y. Same. So then I'll go for joint D. What is joint D? This is joint D. So joint D, I am drawing the bar diagram. First x-axis, y-axis, VD. What is VD? Upward 1 kilonewton. Upward 1 kilonewton. This is A. This is A. This is C. Then if I go for sigma f of y is equal to 0. N CD plus 1 is equal to 0. NCD upward, 1 is also upward. So NCD is equal to minus 1 kilonewton. Then go for sigma f of x is equal to 0. Sigma f of x, nothing is there. So you can write NAD is equal to 0. If you want, you can keep all this in boxes. So already how many I got total 5. I got already 4. So one more I will take it now. One more I will take it. That is same I have taken joint A. Na? Yes, I will take here also joint A. So joint A, first I draw the x-axis, y-axis. Then HA is 0. So don't write anything. VA is also 0. Don't write anything. Then what is there here? here, D is there, AB is also 0, no need to write,
AC.
AD also 0, AD also 0, this also 0, this also 0, this also 0. So automatically AC also will become, AC also will become 0. Okay, here everything is 0. Now we will draw the tabular form. The tabular form is important here. We should draw the tabular form. So vertical deflection, I am drawing a tabular form. Please listen all of you. Tabular form I am drawing. The tabular form, first member, because I taken capital N, so capital N I will write it, kilonewton. Then small n also in kilonewton. Then I will take length of the member in meter. Then I will take capital N, small n into L. These are tabular form I am taking. So now we go for all the members. Whatever the members are there, you write it. AB, BC, CD, then AD, AC. These are the 5 members. You draw it. Write it all the things. Then whatever n capital N and small n you got it, those things you can take it. Small capital N, see AB, BC 0, here minus 15, here 0. That way you can take down all the things. So 0, 0, minus 15, 0, 7.07. Similarly, you take down small b, AB 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. So in that way, you can write it 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. The length, what are the lengths here? 4, 4, 4, 4. AC will become, how will be the AC here? Pythagoras theorem, root of 4 square plus 4 square, that is 5.66. 5.66. Root of 4 square plus 4 square, Pythagoras theorem. What will get here? 0, 0, 0 into 4, 0, 0 into 4, 0, minus 15 minus 1, 4, so 60. Here also 0, here also 0. Now what is the algebraic sum of n and L is 60. So what is our formula? Delta C vertical is equal to sigma n by AE. So your answer is 60 by AE. Vertical deflection.